Wes Baines ar arwydd y bêl uchel at y postyn pella. Mae Kai Edwards yno dros y trawst gan Edwards. Aidan Shannon yn gweiddi'r cyfarwyddiadau. Mae McGuinness yma yn yr eisteddle. Cyfle cynta'r gêm, rhyw hanner cyfle i'r ymwelwyr. Edwards dros y trawst. Hart y bêl, hir uchel, Pemberton y peniad. Jones yn ôl i fewn yn chwilio am Cadwaladr. O, mae Turner di dod amdani! Ac mae'n gol ar blat i Alex Jones. Chydig dros 20 munud wedi chwarae ail gol y tymor i Alex Jones. Ond camgymeriad gan y golwr oedd hi, mae rhaid deud. Mi ddoth o allan i gollwng hi, a Jones yn manteisio. Corey Shepherd i Hwlffordd. Jones, mae'n boen i'r gwrthwyn erbyn yng nghanol Kai. Alex Jones yn dwyn y bêl, dyma Cadwaladr ar ymyl y cwrt. Bradley yn gymorth i'r chwith. Callum Bradley, Ricky Watson i fygeilio fo. Sgillig am Bradley yn tynnu'r ergyd heibio'r postyn. Ond mi sgoriodd o'r penwythnos dwytha yn erbyn y dre newydd. Ond y Fflint di colli 7 gêm yn olynol heb ennill ers mis Medi. Maen nhw ar y blaen yma yn Hwlffordd. Mae Bradley heibio'r postyn. Baines at Howard. Ddau glwb yma di chwarae 10 gêm y tymor yma. A Hwlffordd fel y Fflint, ond wedi ennill 2 o'r 10 gêm hyd yma. Connor Howard yn meddwl am ergydio. Gwiroddi ar Shepherd, mi geitho gyfle arall. Howard heibio i Pemberton, heibio i Summerfield hefyd ac i gefn y rhwyd. Yn dyblu mantais y Fflint. Ail gol o'r tymor i Connor Howard. Wel, mi nath o'r cyfan i hun, mi oedd o'n benderfynol. Gwaith gwych gan Howard a, wel, amddiffyn ddim cystal gan y tîm cartre. Ond mi enillodd Hwlffordd o 2-0, oedd ei cartre yn erbyn y Fflint yn gynharach y tymor yma. Ffordd arall mae'n mynd heddiw. Bêl hir at Alaric Jones. Jones yn oed i Cadwaladr, mae yna gyfle am drydedd. Jones yn ôl, ond na dynnu Cris yma na bosib. Ond mae Hugh Jones yn mynd i'w boced, Cerdyn Melyn i Jones. O, mae di gweld un yn barod. A mae'n ail Gerdyn Melyn i Alaric Jones, llai na awr wedi chwarae. A mae Hwlffordd i lawr i 10 Mae ganddyn nhw fynydd i'w ddringo rwan. Wel, mae tynnu shorts Cadwaladr, nath Jones, ie. Cic rydd i'r Fflint felly. Craig drosti. Craig yn ffigio, Baines felly ar cynnig. Turner yn cael pawen gadar nati. Yn cadw Hwlffordd yn y gêm am y tro. Scotcher. Scotcher lawr y lein at Ben Fawcett. Fawcett cyffyrddiad da yn curo Wes Baines. Fawcett heibio i Baines. Baines yn ei faglu fo. A mae o di gweld Cerdyn Melyn hefyd. A dyna'i ail, a mae Baines yn mynd i adael y cae. A mae'r Fflint i lawr i 10 chwarter awr yn weddill. Penderfyniad hawdd i Hugh Jones. Trosedd diangen gan Wes Baines. 10 yr un felly, am y chwarter awr ola. Kieran Lewis. Lewis yn ildio'r meddiant. Howard sydd â hyd yma Alex Jones. Jones yn cael ei faglu gan Lewis, a mae Hugh Jones yn mynd i boced eto, a dyna'r drydedd Cerdyn Coch. Mae Hwlffordd lawr i 9-1. 10 munud yn weddill. Mi oedd hi'n dacl gadarn gan Lewis. Dwi'n meddwl oedd hi studs o'n uchel chwaith. Ond mi oedd Hugh Jones yn y fan ar lle. Fawcs at Alex Jones. Hwn di bod yn amlwg pnaw yma yn ôl y bont. Jones y bêl dros Ben yr amddiffyn rhyddhau. Ben Steer, mae Turner di dod allan. O, ar bêl yn syrthio yn garedig. A Steer yn rhwydo'r drydedd ac mae ar Ben rwan. Yr eilydd ond wedi bod ar y cae ers rhyw 2 funud. Mi ddoth Turner allan, mi oedd o'n hir neb. Y bêl yn gwiro, oedd hi ar yr amddiffynwr. A Steer yno i'w chyfeirio hi i gefn y rhwyd.
Long time coming. We've been playing well in games, really well, and obviously today I think it sort of clicked and yeah, it come together. It's a great win, great 3 points.
You say it clicked, but it clicked from the word go, really. It was just 90 minutes and dominance.
Yeah, we tweaked a few things. We trained hard in the week. We moved a few things around in terms of shape, and we set out a little bit differently based on our results because our performance has been good. And yeah, I thought they executed it fantastically, and the work ethic was brilliant.
You know, Fflint from the off started the better. You know, they pressed us well. You know, they obviously done their homework on us. Worked it really well, to be fair, no complaints with the result. And I think, you know, that's most probably our most disappointing performance of the season.
What disappointed you most about your performance?
I just didn't feel we worked the ball well enough. You know, when we turned the ball over and retrieved possession, I think, you know, we didn't win enough second balls. I think, you know, they showed more urgency, more energy. And, you know, I think from that point of view, that's what really disappointed me.
It's coming into another hectic sort of period of games, a lot of games in a short amount of time. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it is what it is at the moment with everything that's going on. I think we're all just happy to be playing football. It's obviously a big shame. The fans, I'd love them to be here as well, and I think everyone would. But yeah, at the moment we just got to keep planning one game at a time. We've got to have lads prepared, obviously players pick up knocks and things like that, so you've got to have a good squad ready to go to battle. But no, I'm just delighted with that today, and we can plan for next week now.
Obviously there's some issues before the game. You didn't have time to train before today's game. Is that a problem as well?
It wasn't ideal, but that, you know, we can't make that an excuse. You know, we've said that in there. You know, the lads had programmes. We haven't trained for 2 weeks. You know, that's no excuse. You know, at the end of the day, you know, we're a fit enough team, we're organised enough, players knew their roles and responsibilities, and we most probably, on honesty, had too many players playing on a 4 today, which wasn't good enough, and the result, you know, reflected that.
I suppose the one thing is the games come quick and fast now. You can a quick opportunity to get back on the horse, I suppose.
Yeah, you know, we play Carnarvon next week, really tough. You know, we go back to the drawing board. We'll have a good few training sessions in this week. We'll prepare well, we'll go again. You know, obviously we've got a couple of injuries now, and we've picked up a couple of suspensions, so it's a good chance for, you know, the squad to be utilised. So in terms of that, you know, we look forward again, we won't hold back on it, and prepare well for it.